In space, sound waves cannot travel because there are no air molecules to carry them. But space isn't completely silent. Using advanced instruments, scientists have recorded electromagnetic waves, plasma interactions, and other phenomena from space. These signals have been converted into sounds that we can hear. Now, you will hear those sounds. This sound was recorded by SOHO and represents the vibrations of the sun's surface. These vibrations are caused by waves of plasma moving across the sun's outer layers. Messenger recorded faint magnetic interactions around Mercury. These signals are created as the solar wind hits Mercury's weak magnetic field.